So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. If you are, you actually be doing this analysis, and I'll be telling you guys clearly that GBP JPY is definitely on the bullish move. You can see what market did give us on Monday. Market gave us a bullish move on. You can see that our analysis, right, on GBP JPY is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the section. Now back to our analysis on GBP. You can clearly see it right here that we are in uptrend. This is our overall trend. Remember, before you take a trade, you need to know what the overall trend is. And as you can see, the overall trend is an uptrend move. So we are very much clearly trending to the upside. Now, if you have to zoom it in right here, guys, when you take a look at your daily time frame, at first market was able to drop, and guess what market did right here? Market gave us a double bottom, which indicates a reversal movement. The market eventually pushed up to form our high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually was able to push up again to form a new higher high, right? Now here comes the higher low right here. So this is an higher low that market has, right? Now market has eventually pushed up to form an equal high right here. This is an equal high that market has given us, right? So we should expect market to push up since it's able to fully take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBP, bullish move is what you should be expecting. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely. But if in case there's going to be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share.